In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image colors in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt homepage. Look over to the left-hand panel and find the Images section. This is where all the image tools live. Click on Image to open the workspace. Then choose Chat to edit. This mode lets you describe your color changes in plain language and have the AI apply them for you. Next, bring in the picture you want to work on. You can upload a new image, or, if you've worked with OpenArt before, select one from your history. I'll use the History option here. Click. Select from History, browse your past projects, pick the image you want, and then click Confirm to load it into the editor. A quick tip while choosing: start with the highest quality version you have, so color adjustments stay clean and crisp. With your image on screen, move to the chat box. Type a clear description of the changes you want, including which parts of the image should be affected. For example, you might say, change the color of the outfit to deep navy and make the background lights warm amber. The more specific you are, naming parts, colors, and even tones, the better the results. If you know exact shades, feel free to mention them by name, like teal or maroon. Press Enter to send your instruction, then give the AI a moment to process. You'll see a preview of the result appear. If it's not quite right, don't worry. You can refine as much as you like. Simply type a follow-up, such as make the navy slightly lighter, or shift the background lights to a cooler blue, and let the AI try again. Iterating with short, precise prompts usually gets you to a perfect result quickly. Keep an eye on edges and skin tones and call out any areas that need protection, like leave skin tones unchanged. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download. Head to the upper right corner and click Download. Choose the format that fits your needs. PNG is great for high quality or if you need transparency, while JPG is typically smaller for web use. You'll see an option indicating the cost to export. Here it shows 15 credits. Click the 15 credits button to confirm, and your file will begin downloading to your device. That's it. You've adjusted your image colors in OpenArt using Chat to edit, import, describe, refine, and export. Practice being specific with your prompts, and you'll get professional-looking color changes in just a few minutes.